Dear student, in this video I explain the third characteristic property of solids. All solids have definite volume. Okay, see this image. Take a measuring jar which is partly filled with water up to 150 ml. The blue color one is a water, and take a solid. When this solid is dipped into this water, when this solid is dipped into this measuring jar which is partly filled with water up to 150 ml, the water level rises, the water level increases from 150 ml to 200 ml. So what is the difference in readings? Before dipping the solid, the water level is 150 ml. After dipping the solid, the water level is 200 ml. The difference in readings before dipping and after dipping, that is 200 minus 150, 50 ml, gives the specific volume of the solid being dipped. So this 50 ml, the difference 50 ml is nothing but the specific volume of the solid which is being dipped. So when a larger object is dipped into water, then the difference in readings is also larger. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the fourth characteristic property of solids. All solids have a definite shape, using this example. And for all the videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.